gone to 6-foot ground posts. So it usually costs about $10 per post to go from 4 feet to 6 feet. So for a structure like this, which is 30 feet wide and 48 feet long, that's about $260 more. There's 26 ground posts, so to put that extra 2 feet on. So why would we do that? One is that it's going to go further into the ground, which I'm a little bit more comfortable with, especially because we don't cement anything in. The other piece of it is that if we were on a pitch, that if we have really short ground posts, to get that one 2 feet in the ground, might be that one needs to be below the ground, which isn't going to do us any good below the ground. And then the third piece is when we start thinking about year-round growing or extending our season, you can see if these were 2 feet shorter, we would be down somewhere about here-ish, right? So what happens is the bow will come up and it'll start to bend. If we're 2 feet lower, that bend's going to start to be about here. And if we try to walk down the side, we're going to end up with a really bruised forehead. And so what happens is by raising it 2 feet, we raise the whole structure up. And the bow, the bend, you'll see once we put the bows up, is going to be at about 7-ish feet, 6.5, 7 feet, 1 foot in from the side. So why would we want to do that? We think about year-round growing or even extending our season. Right? In the winter, when it's cold, right here is going to be the warmest place, right? It's the middle of the house. It's going to be the warmest, nicest place to grow. The edges are going to be kind of this marginal space. It's going to be, you can grow there, but it's going to be wet, it's going to be cold, it's going to be shaded from the ground or from the baseboards. And so if we have a bend really low, we have to put our aisle more towards the center so we have somewhere to walk. But if we raise it up 2 feet, what we can do is go ahead and put our aisle over here on each side, which is the coldest, darkest, worst place to grow. So we've taken that marginal area and made it our aisle space and not worried about growing it on. Does that make sense? Why would we try to do that? And I think that it's well worth the $10 per ground post to be able to do something like that. Yep.
You say something about the site being level. I've seen a lot of pictures of